Let's buy a computer that is great for school and for coding. We're gonna stay under $1,000 and we're gonna go with a laptop. A laptop is gonna be better for what you need it to do than a desktop because you can move it. It also has a built-in webcam and keyboard and mouse and everything it's a package that you can just use. So we're gonna start with some general specifications. We're gonna talk about some good and bad brands, and then we're gonna give specific recommendations at the end of the video. All right, let's talk about specifications. Let's talk about the components that are gonna go into this laptop that we want to go with. For the CPU or the processor, we want to go with an AMD Ryzen 5 or Intel i5 or higher. For RAM or system memory, we want at least 8 gigabytes, but 16 gigabytes is preferred. For storage, we want at least 500 gigabytes for an SSD. You can get away with 250 gigabytes of an SSD, but what you don't want to do is buy an HDD, a hard disk drive. That's going to feel slow right out of the box. You want to buy a laptop with a SSD or solid state drive. If you plan on doing any gaming whatsoever on this computer or any video editing that is a little bit fancier than just like cutting clips together, then you're going to want to get a laptop with a GPU, graphics card, video card. The specs that we're looking for here is an NVIDIA 1650 or better. But if you're not gonna do any gaming or any video editing whatsoever on this laptop, you just don't care about that stuff, you can completely ignore the GPU. Now, some brands to look for, we like Asus, we like Lenovo, we like Dell, specifically the XPS and G5, and we like Acer, but Acer's walking that line. Some of their laptops are pretty good, others we want to avoid. So when we talk about Acer in the specific recommendations, we're going to give you this line. Stay away from everything else Acer. Some brands to avoid, HP. Myself and other members of our team have had HP laptops fail after only a single year. Just stay away from them. Also, any brands you don't recognize, don't gamble with your money. All right, let's talk about specific recommendations. These are our top 3 picks for laptops that you should get for coding and for schoolwork. Now, our recommendations are all gaming laptops. It's not because gaming is our priority, but for the dollars that you spend and the performance that you get, gaming laptops have the best ratio. So the first thing that we're going to talk about is the Acer Nitro 5, or anything in the Acer Nitro series. On their website, you can spec it out to be exactly what you need, following our recommendations we gave you earlier in the video, and we really like this computer. Next is the Asus TUF series. Asus is one of those incredible brands, and anything in their line of tough gaming laptops is going to suit you well. Just spec it out based on the recommendations we gave you earlier. Lastly, we have the Lenovo Legion 5, or anything in the Lenovo Legion series. We really like Lenovo. Their laptops last a very, very long time, and you can spec it out on their website to match exactly what you want to spend and exactly what you need. So those are our recommendations. If you have any questions or you want us to give our opinions on anything that you're considering buying, drop them in the comments below. Also, links to the laptops that we recommend will also be in the description. So like the video, comment, all that stuff, but more importantly, have fun and get something that you really, really want and that you're going to use. All right, we'll see you in the next one.